Hi everyone, my name's Jack, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you make your enrolling children active. Firstly, in order to do this, you're going to need to access the control panel, which means you're going to have to be a manager on the account, and you can only do this via the browser version, so don't be using the app. Before we get started, a few things about enrolling children. Enrolling children don't impact the active number of children on your account, so if you have a 20 child account, you can have 20 active children and then 20 enrolling children on there as well. However, you wouldn't be able to use the full functionality of Tapestry with these enrolling children, but you can do a few key things to try and get them ready, such as adding them to groups, linking them to relatives, making them key children of certain staff members, completing their All About Me pages, and printing name labels. If you'd like to find out how to do any of those things, I'll leave the tutorials in the description below. Okay, let's get started. First thing you'll need to do is click on your username in the top right hand corner and select Control Panel. From your Control Panel, navigate to Manage Children. As you can see on your Manage Children page here at the top, you have a breakdown of all the children and all the different states that they're in. As you can see, I've got 10 children on my account, 3 of them are enrolling, 5 of them are active, 1 is inactive, and 1 is awaiting deletion. You can use these buttons to filter out the children. So if I only wanted to see active children, I could click the active there, and it would just filter my active children. For this tutorial, we're going to be looking at enrolling children, so I'm going to click enrolling. You can make enrolling children active in one of two ways. You can do it individually, or you can do it in bulk. Let's start with individually. The first thing you need to do is find the child that you want to make active and click the cog menu next to their name. From this cog menu, simply select Make Brendan Active. This will give you a short warning saying that they are currently enrolling, and if you make them active, you can't roll them back then to be enrolling again. If that's all fine, just click OK. As you can see, Brendan will disappear from the list, meaning he's gone back into the active. Click on active and we can see that this is updated here and he's now an active child. If you need to do this in bulk, just use the tick boxes down the right hand side to select the enrolling children. Then with the drop down menu that appears in the bottom right, select Make Active and then click Go. This will take you to another page where you can confirm what you're doing for each of the children. I'm making Jeff and Richard active, I can see that here. If I decided I didn't want to do that, I can select Do Nothing from this page here. If that's all fine, just click the blue button down there. And there we go. Back on our All Children page, you can see that all the enrolling children have now been made active, and that's confirmed up here where I don't have any enrolling children anymore. And that's it. In this tutorial, we looked at how you make enrolling children active, both individually and in bulk. I've been Jack, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.